Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Today we are having an amazing car for unboxing. It's from BBR. What it is? No, it's not another Ferrari. It's a Pagani Utopia. And we have seen actually this casting already in the Hot Wheels and in the same kind of color. But of course this is premium. This is more than just a car. This is more than just premium even. This is very expensive actually as compared to Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels premium even do not stand anywhere a chance for this car. So let's cut this open and let's see what we have here. Oh, this one's not. I'm sorry guys if there is some noise in the background. So it's just the neighbor kid, you know. Look at that. Let's pull this out. I don't want to throw it like on the ground. Just look at that. Look at this and mesmerize it. Look at those engine details, and let me show you the base also. Actually, there is nothing on the base on this one. This is just BBR Models made in China. We have some cool interior. Let's put this on turntable. And before I put this on turntable, actually this is quite heavy. It's actually very heavy. Here is your closer look on this beauty. I love the headlights, love the wheels. The way they created these wheels, actually, you see that little black trim and then silver trim. It is all part of a rim, and then there is tire. They made it super beautiful. I don't know how Pagani designed these cars, but he's really a dreamer, I must say. You dream about it and you make it come true, and look at this car. Look at that exhaust and the number plate. Let me focus on that, I think. And have you guys noticed that this actually have mismatched wheels? This one is silver and the other one is a little gold kind of. See for yourself, man. Don't believe me, see for yourself. This is just beautiful. I'm stoked, totally. So guys, that was your Pagani for today. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comments if you like this Utopia. I love it. I love this car. I love the stance on this car. Everything I love about it. Thank you so much guys and see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.